we present OAKINK2, a dataset of bimanual object manipulation tasks for complex daily activities. Learning how humans achieve specific task objectives through diverse object manipulation behaviors has been a long-standing challenge. Recent progress of data-driven approaches is inseparable from the emergence of a series of hand-object interaction datasets. A noteworthy example is OAKINK. It analyzed object affordances and collected human-centric grasping interaction driven by intents to utilize these affordances. Here, OAK is for object affordance knowledge and INK for interaction knowledge. OAKINK2 extends the data and methodology of the previous OAKINK. It collects real-world demonstrations that cover the process of fulfilling objects' affordances. It also features complex manipulation tasks that involve multiple object affordances. To handle the inherent complexity in complex manipulation tasks, OAKINK2 adopts an object-centric perspective and constructs 3 levels of abstraction upon manipulation tasks. The first level is affordance. It refers to object or object part level functionalities that enable manipulation. For example, a bottle affords the function of store some content securely. The bottle cap affords securing and unsecuring of the content in the bottle. The second level is primitive task, or primitive. It represents a minimal sequence of hand-object interaction that fulfills a given object's affordance. For example, to fulfill the affordance, secure something, one needs to screw the cap onto the bottle's opening to form a seal that prevents leaking. The third level is complex task. It represents the sequential combination of primitives to accommodate the long horizon and multi-goals manipulation tasks. Tasks are characterized as complex, for their goal requires more than one object affordance. Complex tasks also detail the dependencies among the primitives and dictate the order in which they are executed. To illustrate, to pour the fluid from a sealed bottle, one must first unscrew the cap and then pour out the liquid. In this way, OAKINK2 delineates complex tasks as directed acyclic graphs, primitive dependency graphs. OAKINK2 contains 627 real-world bimanual manipulation sequences, where 264 of these sequences are for complex tasks. These sequences can be decomposed into a total of 376 number of primitives. The dataset includes 4 manipulation scenarios, 75 objects, and 9 invited subjects in total. Here we visualize the objects, primitives, and captured video streams. OAKINK2 enables a wide range of applications because of its versatile and task-driven nature. To achieve task objectives in interaction scenarios, we introduce a novel task, task-aware motion fulfillment. It targets at the generation of hand motion sequences that can fulfill desired object trajectories conditioned on textual task descriptions. Here we visualize the architecture of the baseline model, MFMDM, and its generation results. OAKINK2 potentially offers an object-centric abstraction to organize manipulation tasks for different types of embodiments. It enables a unified approach for accessing manipulation tasks and their corresponding interactions across various embodiments. The core content of the OAKINK2 dataset is presented in the following video clip. This video shows a complex task. Prepare a bowl of hot, sweet fruit tea. During the manipulation process, each primitive appears on the side of the video. We render the 3D annotations, including the objects and human body, onto the video recording for illustration. Here is the execution path of the primitives in this complex task. Here is the primitive dependency graph of this complex task. Thanks for your listening. Visit the project's homepage for more information.